Hi, it's Miss Michelle from the Clearwater Public Library's Youth Department, and I'd like to show you an easy and fun way to make a Greek mask. So you only need these supplies to start the fun. 3 or 4 sheets of white paper, scissors and a pencil, tape or glue, markers or crayons, and if you have construction paper, that would be great too. Okay, so first you want to decide what emotion your mask is going to convey. Let me show you some samples first. This is a Medusa. I also have a Medusa that I made like this. And actually these are found on the internet, and this is a similar mask that we're going to make today. See, happy and sad. There's a few others. Some are surprised, some are mad or sad or happy. So you have to decide what face shape, what mouth, and what kind of eyes. These are some classical masks as well. So I'm going to draw a sketch of the kind of mask that I want with my pencil. This is just a basic sketch. It's going to look a little different than this. I used markers so you can see it better on camera. But I'm basically just going to be making a smile, wide smile, and kind of teardropped eyes. And this is going to be the brows and nose we'll cut out later as well. So once you know what kind of mask you're going to make, you can start drawing and cutting. I'm going to take a piece of paper and fold it in half and draw half of my face shape. Remember, you'll be cutting on the fold when you're drawing the face shape. Here I drew an oval, so there's my face shape. Now I'm going to fold it in half and draw my mouth. Starting on the fold, going out and coming back to the fold. Now again, I'm just using marker so you can see it better, but you just need a pencil. Okay, so when I open it up, I got a nice big wide smile. Now, next are the eyes, and there's 2 ways to do this. If you have parent supervision and you want to just draw 2 eyes on either side of the fold, you'll have to have your parents help cut it out with a sharp edge. I'm going to do it just by cutting out 1 big eye, and then we'll cover it up with the brow. So I'm going to cut, or going to draw a large wide eye, because again, we're going to cover it up, so we don't want our eyes to be too small. So if you make a nice big one and you cover it up, you'll have 2 eyes on either side. So there you go, just drew 1 eye, and I'm going to cut that out. Again, I'm going to have 1 big eye for now until we make the brow and nose. Now to make your brow and nose, you have another sheet of paper, and you're going to fold it kind of the small way, not the long way. So you don't want to make your brow too wide, because then it'll cover up the entire eye. So I'll show you how I do it. So you start out like this. This part is going to be the nose, and this is going to be the brow. So it'll be double this. I'm going to test it out, make sure it looks good on it. Yep. So there you have it, the nose and the brow, and you're just going to tape it to the mask. As you can see, I just taped the edges so that the nose here and the brow looks more like a 3D, a 3D version of a brow and nose, and now it's not flat on the mask like this. After that, you're going to decorate it any way you like. And this is the one I made earlier, Medusa, but you can do any like character or face that you want. I use green construction paper. Again, if you don't have construction paper, you can just cut out strips of white paper and color anything you want. So to make hair or a beard, anything on the mask you like. And I made snakes for Medusa. You add eyebrows, eyelashes, color it any color you want. After you're done decorating, you're gonna use ribbon, twine, or yarn, and you wanna, measure your head and then tape it to the back of the mask so you have a way of wearing it. Or you could put a straw or a craft stick and just tape it to the back of the mask and hold the mask. You can do it that way as well. I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope you go ahead and make your green mask. Go ahead and take pictures and share it with us if you make one. I have a special announcement. Next week we're going to be posting a video. It's a Reader's Theater's version of the Greek play Arachne and Athena, How Spiders Came to Be, and it's starring our very own youth staff. So keep an eye on our Facebook and your YouTube pages for that video. And also bring your mask along and you can wear it while you're watching. So thanks for joining me today, and I hope you enjoyed this, and bye-bye for now.